evening, we're at the Museum Cafe and trying out their food. The place to be when you want good food, excellent meal. So what do we have here now? Mixed salad, plain, but the yummiest salad in town. This is Gemma Nijssen cooking our food. She's preparing garlic sauce right before our eyes. So if you want your food cooked fresh and right before your eyes, come to the Museum Cafe.
What do we have here?
This garlic brown rice.
Garlic brown rice.
Tenderloin, aged beef, local beef tenderloin. The sauce is the reduction of fresh tuba garlic sauce.
Wow.
Reduction of fresh tuba and garlic sauce. So, okay.
Now, the smell is just awesome. And this is like a little, what we call in German, a little wonder bag, eine Wundertüte. Can I eat this? Oh, okay. This banana leaf. Okay.
Good appetit.
Good appetit.
So let's enjoy our meal. Good appetit. I tell you, their salad is the best in town. I always describe their salad as a roller coaster of flavor.
Now, this restaurant or cafe, can we regard as what, top notch?
Top notch. It's actually ranked by GMA TV as the #1 best restaurant in Bacolod. It has the yummiest food. So it was #1.
No.
In 2013, this was ranked by no less than GMA TV in Manila as the #1 restaurant in Bacolod.
Now, due to some reconstruction of the museum itself, the cafe has shrunk, which I like because for me it was always a bit too big. They had a hall, so there are only a few tables inside, 2, 4, 6 tables. Very
More
intimate. Outside 3, but it's sort of in a bigger yard, kind of courtyard area. But because it's raining, we moved inside. But the freshness of the food has always been a surprise. You have to taste it to think why it can be the freshness a surprise. So fresh, so yummy. I have to speak with my mouth full. It's so delicious. The meat is succulent. The veggies fresh and blend into. It's not
Meat
just
is
sweet,
medium rare, juicy as.
but perfect. Now, the cooks are experienced cooks, as we know.
Well trained.
Maybe even the music indicates a difference of taste and preparation. Stay tuned.
Lime water.
Oh, water with lime. What is it? Lime water or water with...
So how do you find your food?
I think I answered that by speaking with my mouth full. And stopped filming it because it might just disappear.
The salad is always an explosion, a carousel of flavors. Coffee after dinner.
And the cinnamon bread.
With cinnamon bread.
Muscovado sugar.
And muscovado sugar.
Fresh milk.
The Mount Canlahong Organic Blend.
This is Joan of Arc and Holger at the Museum Cafe. So next time when you're in Bacolod, check out the Museum Cafe. Best salad in town. Best ever.